Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, I'm sure a lot of people have heard about all of the brush fires going on in Australia right now and all the wildlife being affected. So today I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys how to draw one of the animals that's greatly being affected right now, and that is the koala. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw kind of like a big oval shape. And I've kind of made the ends sort of flat. They're not too round, they're just kind of flat. Then right at the bottom here, I'm going to put two little curved lines for the nostrils. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little circle shape for the eye. And I'm just going to draw a circle in here, and then I'm just going to color in the rest of it. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just to make a circle. You want to keep it at about the same size and the same height. Add a little circle in here, and then just color in the rest of it. Now, right underneath here, we're going to make a little bit of a mouth. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve like this, and then a little line that's going to curve the other way like that, just for the mouth. Now, for the head of the koala, I'm going to start right here, and I want to make like a little bit of a zigzag line. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just has a few little points in it like this. And then you want to do the same thing on this side. So you're just going to draw a few little kind of pointy lines, and they're kind of almost curving as they come down. Then, starting up here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then come down, and I'm going to leave some space there. Now, we want to make the koala's ears. So, starting here, they have really big ears. So you're just going to begin by making a big curved line, and as I come out here, I'm going to add a few more of those little kind of pointy zigzag lines, and I'm just going to curve them down to here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curl around, make a few of those kind of pointy little lines, and then just kind of curl down here. Then, starting here, I'm going to take this line, and I'm just going to kind of curve it around, and I'm going to put a few more little pointy lines right to here. Just that way it looks like the inside of the ear is furry. Then I'll do the same thing over here, just kind of curve around, put a few of those little zigzag lines, and then bring it down to there. Now, starting right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of bring these lines of the face in just a little bit. And then beginning right here, we want to make the arm. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw this line that just kind of goes right up here, and then it's just going to curve around, and it's going to come back down to here. Then, starting right here, we want to make the leg. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up. I'm going to put a couple of those little zigzag lines on it, and then just kind of curve down. And we'll kind of curl it a little farther. Now I want to make a foot. So, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and it's going to come back for a little toe. And then I'm going to put another one here. And then one more right here. And then I'm just going to take this line and then just kind of curve it right around here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. I'm going to put a couple little zigzag lines on here just for some fur, and then connect it to there. Then, just to give him some toes, I'm just going to draw a couple little lines on here. I'll give him about 3 little bumps, just for some other little claws that just kind of help him hold on to the tree. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little line that curves down for the body. Now, starting up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go right down to the head. And then I'm just going to kind of jump over it, and right down here, I'm just going to continue this line. And then right over here, I'm just going to draw another line that's just going to go down. It's going to kind of follow that same angle of the first line. And then I'm just going to add some texture on here. So I'm going to make some long, wavy lines like this. Just these broken lines. They're going to start in different spots. And you just want to make some little openings and spaces on them. You can put some little spirals and curves in here. I like to kind of draw some of these around too. And just kind of make these little lines going all over. End them at different spots, start them at different spots. And this will just kind of make the tree look a little bit more realistic. And there you go. There is your drawing of the koala. Hope you guys enjoyed this drawing, and I'm going to start fast forwarding and coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.